Alrighty, STX Turboforce 3000 stopped working about 10 years after I bought it. Great meat grinder so far, as long as you pay attention to what you're grinding. These are the plastic gears that we hear about in some of the reviews. Nothing particularly abnormal in here. The gear grease has lasted well over, let's see, probably 9 or 10 elk and 12 or 13 deer. What I did find is a whole bunch of little plastic pieces in here. And this was actually bound up right here. And I think this was some sort of plastic bushing that is now in pieces. And there's some plastic fragments in and around the casing, but I'm gonna put this back together and see if it works. And I was just bound up on a little chunk of plastic in the middle. That'd be sweet. Let's see, 160 bucks for 10 years isn't too bad for a meat grinder, but it'd be nice for it to last a little longer. The integrity of the rest of the gears seems pretty good. Bearings all work pretty well. I can't spin this one-handed, but it spins without resistance. And everything else seems fairly fine. Pretty easy to take apart, just a couple screws. And stay updated.
Yeah.